Hey, welcome to Insider Tips. In today's Insider Tip, I will talk about your design plan. But before I do that, have you checked out the post-COVID-19 action plan for hospitality properties? If you have not done that yet, you need to do it. You can do it by visiting keystonehpd.com/post-COVID-19 action plan. Now it's time to choose a design plan. Think about your target guests. How does your competition brand themselves? Your brand needs a look that stays consistent with your brand message and language. Your brand needs a look that stays consistent with your brand's mission and language. You have to decide, are you progressive and sleek, fun and vibrant, conventional and classic? Next, you have to create a memorable tagline or slogan. Choose your branding's colors. Design or upgrade your logo. Involve your employees in the branding. Make sure your employees know the importance of your brand, as well as how and why you chose that brand. They have to be on board for your branding to be effective. Ask for their feedback on any new uniform design, how they believe your property is looked at by guests. Take their opinions seriously. From here on, everything your property does will be linked to your brand. Okay, you have a new tagline or slogan, logo, signage, uniforms. Is that it? You have to back up your brand with a great product. If your branding message sounds incredible, but you are not able to deliver, your customers will come twice, the first and last time. Well, that's it for today's Insider Tip. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, so you don't miss any future Insider Tips, and join one of our groups. We'd love to see you on the inside. You can subscribe at keystonehpd.com/insider-tips. And to find your best group option, visit keystonehpd.com/private-groups. Well, that's it for today's tip. Until next time, have a fun day.